Hello, Lawson. I decided from the best classics that I was going to pick The Five Little Monkeys Jumping on the Bed by Eileen Christelow. So it's bedtime, just like your bedtime. But there's 5 little monkeys that took a bath. And then 5 little monkeys put on their pajamas. Do you see them trying to put on their pajamas? And then 5 little monkeys were brushing their teeth. Do you see them all lined up in the bed? I don't know. They look like they're up to no good. 5 little monkeys said goodnight to their mama. Uh-oh. Something's going on here. Then 5 little monkeys jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Uh-oh. The mama called the doctor. Then the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So, 4 little monkeys jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. The mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Ooh, he's got little things on top of his head. Oh my gosh, they look like they're not happy. I wonder what's going to happen next. Uh-oh, so 3 little monkeys jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So 2 little monkeys jumped on the bed, and one fell off and bumped his head. Was that you, Lawson? Was that you jumping up and down on that bed? The mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." So 1 little monkey jumped on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. The mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Looky, they all have little things on their head. I bet you they have a sore head. Uh-oh. There they are, all nestled up. So 5 little monkeys fell fast asleep. Phew. "Thank goodness," said the mama. "Now I can go to bed." What is she doing, Lawson? She's jumping on the bed. I hope you enjoyed that story. Sleep well, honey. Nighty-night.